Hello everybody, Relle here, and this week we're hitting the beach with Limbic Entertainment and Calypso Games' latest entry in the Tropico franchise. This game was provided by the developers and the Gaming Outsider podcast for the purposes of this review. Does Tropico 6 win another term of office? And should you buy it? Full disclosure, this review is made from the point of view of a first-time player to the franchise. As such, if you've never played Tropico and want to know what all the fuss is about, listen up. Tropico puts you in the rich Corinthian leather shoes of El Presidente, leader of a small island nation. You're tasked with guiding your people from the colonial era to modern times, all the while maintaining your grip on power. Between rebels looking to overthrow you to world superpowers eyeing your tiny island, there are threats on all sides, but El Presidente will persevere. Tropico's gameplay can best be described as a nation builder similar to the Anno series. You'll plant crops you can either trade or process into refined goods, build infrastructure and homes for your citizens, and balance their various needs. Your capabilities will expand as you advance from the colonial era all the way to modern times, and so will the intricacies of running your island. While at first your objective as a colonial governor is simply to keep your royal mandate going, once you declare independence, you'll have to answer to your citizens. This means establishing a constitution and keeping your people happy and healthy so you can win re-election. While you can play as a benevolent ruler to keep your people on your side, you can also be a brutal dictator, jailing or assassinating dissidents and political opponents. After all, elections are optional, right? The other major aspect of gameplay is the various factions you'll have to balance. Everyone wants something, from the capitalists to the religious zealots, and all of them will offer you missions to boost your standing with them. This often comes at the cost of standing with a rival faction, and angering one side too much can result in rebellion. This means a good portion of the game is spent either keeping everyone happy or mitigating the effects of going all in with one side or the other. Ultimately, Tropico 6 is a fantastic nation builder. It's a game you can play your own way and still find success or bloody revolution. It's currently available on Steam, PlayStation 4, and Xbox One for $50 American. The game includes 30 island maps for sandbox play and 15 missions chronicling the past exploits of El Presidente. These missions challenge you to play in unique ways, from relying on piracy to bring in goods to a barren island to establishing a nation that needs no housing. It's the kind of game that will absorb hours of your life, so if you're into sim games like Anno or Cities Skylines, Tropico 6 is definitely recommended. PC gamers, be aware the developers are planning on mod support for the future, so that's one more thing to look forward to. Be sure to listen to the Gaming Outsider podcast episode 240 to hear me talk more about the game. Thanks so much for watching. Hit that like button, then subscribe and hit that notification bell to see more videos like this in the future. Leave me a comment with your thoughts on the game below, and long live El Presidente!